Is your Galaxy S24 Ultra battery draining fast? Let's fix it in 7 simple steps. And I'll explain why each one actually works. Step 1. Check battery usage. Go to Settings, tap on Battery. Usage here, you'll see which apps are using most of your battery. Apps like Facebook, Snapchat, or even games can run in the background and drain power, even if you're not using them. Step 2. Turn on Adaptive Battery. Turn this on from Settings. Go to Settings and tap on Battery. Then tap on Background Usage Limits. Tap on 3-dot menu, and Adaptive Battery then turn on. This smart feature helps your phone learn which apps you rarely use, and it limits their battery usage automatically. Step 3. Turn off Always On Display. Go to Settings, and then tap on Lock Screen, and here, tap on Always On Display. Turn off Always On Display. Shows the time and notifications on your screen, even when it's off, but that cool look costs battery every hour. Step 4. Lower brightness and refresh rate. Go to Settings and scroll down, and tap on Display. And then tap on Motion Smoothness, and set to Standard. And also lower your screen brightness manually. 120 Hz looks smoother, but it uses much more battery. Standard mode gives you more hours on a single charge. Step 5. Sleep unused apps. Go to Settings. Then tap on Battery. Then tap on Background Usage Limits. Auto Optimization. Put unused apps to sleep. Apps you don't open for a while can still use memory and battery in the background. This setting stops that automatically. Step 6. Limit location access. Go to Settings. Then tap on Location. Then tap on App Permission. Then tap on Appy. Then set apps to allow only while using. Many apps constantly check your location, even when they don't need it. That drains battery fast. Step 7. Update software. Go to Settings. Then tap on Software Updates. Then tap on Download and Install. Samsung often releases updates that improve battery performance. If you're using an old version, you might be missing fixes, so make sure update new version. Try these 7 settings and your battery life should improve immediately. If this helped, drop a like and follow for more phone tips.